So let's see fifth stanza. Read the fifth stanza. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. Here in fifth stanza, poet is trying to say, in the night, the tiger hears the sound of patrolling cars. Tiger hears the patrolling car. Patrolling cars means these are the cars which is used by policemen to guard the animals of the zoo. So the patrolling cars are the vehicles of police which are used to guard at night. So in the night, the tiger hears the sound of these cars. He then stares at shining stars. First sound he hears what? The patrolling car. First sound he hears the sound of patrolling car. Then he realizes himself that I am being guarded. I am being guarded. And then he stares towards the sky. He stares towards the sky, towards the stars, with his shining eyes. With his shining eyes. As you know, tigers, cats, these animals, in the night especially, their eyes twinkle. Their eyes twinkle. If you just focus on by using a torch on any cat's eyes or tiger's eyes, you would be able to find that these are sparkling. So this is their shining eyes. The poet says that the tiger is sad. Tiger is sad and he is confined. He is packed. He is kept in the cage. So he cannot do anything. Therefore, he stares at the stars in the night and tries to divert his thoughts towards them. In fifth stanza, writer is trying to say that tiger is very sad. Tiger is disappointed because he is locked behind the bar. He is locked behind the bar. And as tiger hears the sound of patrolling car. Tiger hears the sound of patrolling car and he felt himself that okay, no, I don't have any other options. These are the vehicle of policemen and they are here to guard me. So then in disappointment he stares at the stars. He stares at the stars, watching the stars with his shining eyes, the shining stars. And then he felt that okay, no problem, I am locked. I cannot do anything at all. So that's why, and he thinks that he is confined, and that he is listening the sound of patrolling car and watching towards the stars. This fact means what? He is trying to divert. He is trying to divert his thought that he does not want to remember himself that I am locked. Because it gives him a little bit pain. I am the king of the forest and today I am locked in a cage. So that's why he is trying to divert his thought. समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये राइटर कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि रात में टाइगर जो क्या कर रहा है, वो अपनी चमकती हुई आंखों से चमकते हुए स्टार्स को देख रहा और वो महसूस कर रहा है कि अरे मैं तो लॉक्ड हूँ. वो पेट्रोलिंग कार को सुनता है और फिर अपने ध्यान को भटकाने के लिए कि अरे मैं याद क्यों करूँ कि मुझे लोग बंद करके रखे हैं. तो वो क्यों देखता है स्टार्स की तरफ? क्योंकि अपने ध्यान को भटकाने के लिए. He wanted to just divert his thought from the concrete cell. That's why he stares the sky. He stares the stars with his shining eyes. So this way, this was the fifth stanza that we learned today. And find out the literary devices according to you. And rhyming scheme also A, B, C, B. Rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B. The whole poem of the rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B.